thank you all for getting here on time. Appreciate it. We're going to talk about the IVT and the NVT for a second. IVT stands for the intermediate value theorem. The idea behind this is that if you have a graph that looks something similar to this, starting from A to B, okay, as long as it's a continuous function, there's some point C that falls between these two values. Now remember, they're just letters, so it can be anything. All right. There's some value C that falls between here. That the y value at that point also falls between the two y values of those functions as well. Okay. The NVT is a little bit different. It's similar idea, trying to fall between the values A and C, except instead of looking at the y value, we're looking at the derivative. Okay. And the derivative is going to match the same slope from A to B, from the points right there. So the slope from here is a positive one, and there happens to be two places on this graph where the tangent or the slope is the same as that right there. Thus, we have two C values that fit for the NVT on this graph. Any questions?
Now the stuff's about to make sense, these theorems look hard. How about we make this math less dense, begin from the start. About to tear this board up, you're about to tear it apart. No need to worry about that one, cause the board's pretty smart. Just like James Edward almost asked, how do I reach them? Like he did with that class, we're about to teach them. Let me an intermediate value theorem. They're actually really simple, no need to fear them. Just listen to the lyrics, you really hear them. Shout out to Terrio, your boy who kill them. First let's define what continuous is. Trace a line of a section function with your pen. If it's lifted, it is discontinuous. And both theorems depend if the function's continuous.
Get your pen out, write some notes down, learn some cow all night long. Open your spiral, video viral, learn some cow all night long. We're gonna teach you guys the rules of these lines until we blow your mind. So study with us, buddies, so pay attention, listen and have some fun. Have some fun. It's mathematic, don't make it problematic. Class too short to not get this done.
Time to teach differentiality. Differentials essential for just NVT. Here's what I mean, as long as you can draw the line in between point B and point A. If it's smooth, you're okay, which excludes the rise or drop vertically. And sharp points in any gaps that open it free. Now we can go into NVT, which states a continuous line between point A and B. Must have at least one line that is tangential and parallel to the secant of the differential. Let's take, for example, this exponential. We manipulate the points to still meet credentials. Secant passes through 2 points, as you could witness. The parallel is present. We explain theorems, just compress it.
Get your pen out, write some notes down, learn some cow all night long. Open your spiral, video viral, learn some cow all night long. We're gonna teach you guys the rules of these lines until we blow your mind. So study with us, buddies, so pay attention, listen and have some fun. Have some fun. It's mathematic, don't make it problematic. Class too short to not get this done.
They say IVT is important as NVT and Cal. All I know is IVT is only a continuous function, dealing only with real numbers. Lindsay, oh sorry, oh that is the introduction. Continuous lines of intervals, those are traced back to the x-axis, identify the domain. Same goes for y-axis, but it's called the range. So in any continuous function, the rule's the same. X is A through B, the y interval is defined by F through FB, a domain's number is called C, and then C plug in, get to the value FC. FC is always in between the y's intervals, so C is gonna be in the domain like Cal in the syllables. Word dump, word man, you heard. But if you don't understand, it's too bad, cause I'm all out of a helping hand, yeah!
Get your pen out, write some notes down, learn some cow all night long. Open your spiral, video viral, learn some cow all night long. We're gonna teach you guys the rules of these lines until we blow your mind. So study with us, buddies, so pay attention, listen and have some fun. Have some fun. It's mathematic, don't make it problematic. Class too short to not get this done. We're gonna teach you guys the rules of these lines until
Dom, you pay attention? Dom, wake up! You up? What is this?
IVT, NVT.
Good job. Wake up!
What is this?
NVT, IVT.